Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Venmo card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your Venmo card. Locate your Venmo card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your Venmo account. Step 2. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone and log in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate your card. Step 3. Navigate to Card Activation. In the Venmo app, tap the triangle menu, then select Venmo Card and choose Activate Card. Step 4. Enter card details. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and any other information requested. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your Venmo card is successfully activated, you will see a confirmation message in the app. Your card is now ready to use for online purchases, in-store payments, and ATM withdrawals. Step 6. Start using your card. You can now use your Venmo card wherever MasterCard is accepted. Remember to monitor your Venmo account for balance updates and transaction history. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.